Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to fucking get ready with me, and I don't know what I'm doing, so it's fine. Totally not mentally prepared to do this video, so bear with me. Also, apologies for random sounds. Tim is in here clicking like a madman, and then Peach got a new toy. It's one of those floppy fish things, so if you hear random like thumping, it's that. Anyway, so today we are here with the Valentine's Day date night. Get ready with me. I'm just gonna do like a simple, like at-home glam because we're still in a fucking pandemic. Yeah, that sucks, but you know what? Get a little cute, get a little sexy, or lazy, and combine both. You'll see. I have an idea. Not sure if I can actually do this, but we'll see. And you can still celebrate. Without any further ado, be sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below if you have any more ideas, and of course keep on watching. We're gonna jump right into it, and yeah, we're going super simple, very basic. It shouldn't be like too ridiculous. Anyway, so I cleansed my face. I actually masked just because I've been awake for like 12 hours already. Like, this is not the beginning of the day. Like, I already had a day today. I normally, like, when I film earlier. So I masked just to kind of rehydrate and use my Andalou Naturals Floral Toner. I didn't moisturize. So ideally you should moisturize. If you have a priming moisturizer, that's even better. If you don't have either of those things, just make sure you moisturize, and that'll make sure that the makeup sticks to your face. But I'm going to use the Yensa Essential Glow Primer. It's pretty creamy. If I was doing this for real, I'd actually use moisturizer, so sorry that I'm lying. I'm just too fucking lazy to like go and get moisturizer, but whatever, it's fine. This is a pretty good like consistency, so, but I'm thinking like very light. Like if you have like a BB cream, cover your face with a BB cream. A tinted moisturizer, use that. Just make sure you are like, you know, doing your skincare shit. So my favorite foundation to date right now is the NYX Born to Glow. When applied very lightly, this is actually a really good one in like warmer weather as well, which I know, like, we're all dreaming of warmer weather. I'm running out of that. Not sure when I'll be able to talk about that again. Because it can apply pretty light, but it's also buildable. I never thought I'd get to the point where I would want that, but my skin is changing with age. Random shout out to Tim. Yes, I know he's next to me, but future Tim, also present Tim. Science. For giving me the motivation to do this, because I was like sulking. He's like, you can come in here if you want to. He doesn't actually sound like that.
Why do you always do that for my voice?
I don't know. I love how it's a makeup video and you're still crinkling fucking bags. I don't think he realized like how stuck he would be in his little corner. He's like, oh, I need things. I'm like, you're the one that fucking told me to sit in here. Literally that conversation didn't happen, but it is right now, and he just has to listen to it. Concealing with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. We're not gonna cake it on, because I mean, you're staying at home. This could go underneath foundation, which normally that's what I do, but I'm literally just doing like doop doop on either side, and that's it. And that's just for a very subtle brighten that no one but yourself is gonna notice. While we are caking things on, you don't have to use a primer. Like, honestly, I wouldn't. I would just set, because I did put foundation on my eyes. That itself can be an eyeshadow primer, but I need to use this, so kind of you can ignore this step. I can't imagine there's many of y'all that have that same problem I do, where I'm like swimming in fucking eye primer for the next like 5 years. It doesn't help that like I was wearing it like every fucking day, and then lately it's like, nah. You know what else gave me the motivation to film? The fact that like I wanted to wait a little bit later to eat dinner, just so I'm not like shoveling my face full of food like all fucking day. I've been having issues with a specific primer, so that's fun. And then you can use any setting powder. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape finishing powder, which I actually haven't used a loose powder in like a minute. Trying to get through some of my pressed powders and saving. Well, this is like an in-between just because of how this packaging is, because I don't use this one for baking. Another optional thing, like if you have pretty dark eyebrows, you can probably skip this step, just because I want to just very lightly, I actually am going to go ahead and use the e.l.f. brow pencil, but I'm not going to use clear gel, because normally like on other days where I know I'm like going somewhere or whatever, I'll actually add the clear gel over top of it. But because they're so light and I am putting on some makeup, I'm in the habit of just adding just a little bit, because they're getting fucking lighter, man. Pretty soon they're gonna disappear. Like, do have a first impressions product that has not, this will still be featured on my January and February beauty haul, which will be coming up on my channel in like a couple of weeks. But this is the Morphe Manny MUA palette. This palette is fucking gorgeous, and I wanted it when it first came out, but I didn't really need the palette, and I'm like, well, I don't want to spend like 20 bucks. Well, so before I canceled BoxyCharm for reasons, check out my Bye Bye Boxy, I did really like their pop-up shops and shit. I got this for fucking $6. I had to get it, so that's going to be featured today. Very simple though. As a side note, I am very excited for the 3 Looks 1 palette for this. That will be later, but we're going very, very simple. So to start, I'm gonna be taking this, I'll zoom in. I'll be taking Leo here. It's like a shimmery bronze, and I'm gonna be putting that just on like the outer crease kind of deal. And then I will be taking Zaya. Oh, this is puppy. And that's gonna go on my under eye.
Oh, he named a shade after his dog?
Yes.
Oh, that's really cute.
I'm gonna go ahead and use Scorpio up here for like the lid shade, and I'm gonna buff everything out with Dust Cloud. That's what I'm gonna do. I really wanted to use this, but I'm going simple, so I'll bring y'all into my face and we're gonna do this thing. So you want to kind of keep this on your outer crease, but gently bring it over. If you have hooded eyes, I kind of have a little bit of a hood, but not too bad. You'll want to go up on top of the hood. So basically, like when your eye is open, you can still see the freaking shadow. And just blend it inward. This is fucking dedication, y'all, because started a new job today. Hello, fucking, like, 2021, she ain't playing. Like, complete life change, like, holy fuck. And I got up at 4:45 this morning to get there by 6 a.m. and it is 4:30. And I have to get this up in a couple of days. Okay, so once we are happy with that, which I feel like I'll never be, so it's fine. I'm not wetting the brush for this. It's nice, you don't really need to. I feel like if I were to be wearing this for a longer period of time, I probably would wet the brush. Now, I know these are applying just a little weird because I am just trying to use this freaking... I really should just throw it away, but I'm too ridiculous. And now the question of questions is going to be black or red eyeliner on the top. Okay, I'm going to go off camera and decide on eyeliner, and I will be back for another first impressions product. So I have the Ico Black Magic Mascara. It's in a little tubey tube, and oh man, I do not remember when this was from, or I believe it was an Ipsy. I don't hate the brush. I just don't remember what month this was from, to be honest with you, but it has not been opened until now, so. I really like how that works on my bottom lashes so far. But after like the product has been open for a while and after several uses, you know, like it changes. I've had love, hate, love relationships with mascaras. I've had hate, love, hate, love, confusion. There's a lot of excess that I don't know if I like this packaging or not. The lip is weird. There's a lot of excess product that comes out that I don't think needs to. This is nice. It fills up the eye, the lash, or with the whatever the fucking goddamn hairs, but it's not clumpy, so it still has that. I loosely say natural because I realize that I'm doing black mascara on like orange lashes. To the basic person that doesn't understand redheads, it looks natural. Now I do have some shit in my fucking lashes over here, so I'm having a hard time working through that, so that's not the mascara's fault. It's my sausage fingers. Well, so far so good on this thing, so that's cool. By the time that this is in my empties, we'll see how I actually feel. Alright, now just for a quick bronze, just to put some life back into the face, I'm using my Lorac bronzer in Pool Party. How about that pan though? I will never stop talking about that pan. Really?
What?
You know I'm recording, right?
That's why I waited for a little, so you can cut it.
You realize I'm not gonna cut that, right?
Yeah, I know.
Defuse the 5-head, defuse the 5-head.
Hello.
The Ofra Madison Miller blush. Going for a nice, like, kind of taupey moment. You can use whatever the fuck you want. Just go light. You could also do, like, a shimmery blush and then skip highlight. Although I would be very offended if you did that. If I skip highlight, I'm ill. I put highlight and moisturizer, so. I'm actually gonna dig back into the Mani palette, and I'm gonna be using, I'm gonna go ahead and use Nova for highlight today, which, considering I'm trying this for the first time, I shouldn't be using a dirty brush, but here we are. So I did use the NYX red eyeliner. I'm using a mixture of my Stila lip liner and Zinfandel, and then my Bite something or other. No, my Nude Sticks, an instant matte lip and cheek pencil. This was a BoxyCharm product that I'm gonna throw away early because I don't feel like dealing with a fucking pencil sharpener. Normally I would say set the face so that way, you know, you can eat your takeout and watch Netflix. But I'm not gonna set my face because I'm just gonna wash it. But pretend that I'm setting. Okay, I'm done. Anyway, I'm gonna go do something with this hair, and by that I mean I'm gonna take it down, and then we'll be here for the finished look. Meow. Alright, here we are with the finished look. So yeah, do you want to know the secret to the hair? Wash it at night, go to bed and sleep on it, wake up and twist it into little, like, whatever the fuck it was when I was getting ready with my little poo-poo-pa-doo-pa-doo, and then take it down, well do that, and then add a little gel to like do-do-do-do-do, and then add some hairspray to zh, and then after like 12 hours of that, then take it down and take like a little curly, like rounded brush and go hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo, and then clip it back. And then you have this. You're fucking welcome. I am a hair scientist. And for the outfit, you really want to impress your man, you can look cute and be lazy. You grab a little cardigan, put it over a camisole, bra, optional, leggings. Underwear is also optional, and considering it's Valentine's Day and people should be getting some, why wear underwear? Or you can wear lingerie underneath, a little fishnet thing, some crotchless panties, whatever you want. And really, this probably isn't the ideal hairstyle. I mean, most of the hair is out of the way, but you should pull more of your hair back so that way it's out of the way when you're eating both your dinner and dick or vagina or whose ever crotch or whatever you're putting in your mouth. And happy Valentine's Day. We are very wholesome here. You're fucking welcome. I'm ready to lick windows. I'm just kidding. Cheers, bitches. We are at the end of this video finally. Thank you for sticking around. I don't know why that's funny. I'm done. Anyway, be sure to like this video, to subscribe to my channel, and then Tim's making me laugh. Until the next one.